In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and cookies on Brave browser. If you've noticed that websites are loading incorrectly, certain pages aren't updating properly, or you simply want to improve your privacy while browsing, clearing your cache and cookies can be a helpful solution. These stored files are designed to make browsing faster and more convenient, but over time they can sometimes cause issues or take up unnecessary space. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of clearing cache and cookies in Brave browser quickly and efficiently. To get started, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the browser menu icon. Click on it to open a list of available options and settings. From the menu that appears, move your cursor to History and then select History from the submenu. This will take you to Brave's History page, where you can view your recent browsing activity and access additional tools related to your browsing data. Once the History page is open, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on it to open the Data Management window. This section allows you to remove various types of stored information from the browser, including temporary files and website data. After the Clear Browsing Data window appears, you'll see several categories of data that can be removed. Carefully review the available options and make sure that the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. These are the specific items that need to be chosen in order to clear your cookies and cache. Next, locate the time range setting. This option determines how much stored data will be removed from the browser. Click the drop-down menu and select All Time if you'd like to remove all cached files and cookies that have accumulated over the entire period you've been using the browser. Choosing this option ensures a complete cleanup of the selected data. Once you've confirmed your selections, you're ready to proceed. Click the Clear Data button to begin the process. Brave will immediately start removing the selected files and website data from your browser. Depending on the amount of stored information, the process may take a few moments to complete. After the cleanup is finished, your cache and cookies will have been successfully removed. This can help resolve browsing issues, free up storage space, and give you a fresh browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared cache and cookies in Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.